Welcome to another Black Buck Moment. And this is where we share knowledge that's going to help you grow and scale your business using storytelling, right? Video marketing. And so if you haven't checked out our information yet, go ahead and click the link below after this video and get started. We have 5 products that's going to help you. They tools in your toolbox that's going to help you grow and scale your business. It's going to separate you from everybody else. I know that. I've been there. I've done it. I know how the high cost of advertisement, and most business that I speak to don't even do it because they feel like they can't afford it. But you don't have to worry about that. We've solved that problem for you. So go ahead and check the information out. I'm going to talk about some success tips when it comes to storytelling, and take copious notes, because there's 3 things you must do in order to be successful, right? One is taking knowledge, right? Taking the knowledge. Continue taking in the knowledge. Applying the knowledge. After you're taking the knowledge, apply the knowledge. And then share the knowledge with other people. When you become a teacher, then you know you have evolved, right? You're not just keeping the knowledge to yourself, so you're helping other people grow as well. So success tip number 1, be authentic and real. So, and I wrote down, I said, don't use 50-cent words when you can use 5-cent words to get the same outcome. So just be authentic and keep it simple. You don't have to try to impress anybody. People want to know about you. Differentiate yourself. Stay true to what makes you unique and different. Stay true to that. You can pick up and learn different techniques and things from other people, but you have to find your unique self and stay true to that. Don't get cute. Avoid buzzwords, jargon, and fluff to try to make yourself look big and good and smarter than everybody else. Don't overcomplicate anything when you're telling your story. Keep it simple and easy to understand. Simplicity. To this one. Attract an audience who thinks like you and wants what you can provide. Repel those who are not on the same page. Know your topic well and don't be afraid to voice your opinion. But the most important one is that we want to attract people that think like us. Especially if you're an online marketer, or you building a team of leaders in your organization. Everybody that you bring in your organization should be leaders, right? Or they should have that mindset of a leader that changes the game. And so you're gonna, when you speak, you're gonna attract those type of people to you. And that's what you want. Be personal, connect with people, and be enthusiastic and excited. After you tell your brand story, create brand interaction with your customer. Encourage them and be the supporter of them. So I'm gonna stop there because I don't want the video to be long, but just go back and meditate on what we just said. See how you can apply these success tips in your life right away. And then share it with some other people and see how it affects your business. I'm telling you. See you in the next video. Click the link below. Get started in one of our products. I look forward to seeing you slam your story. Have a wonderful day.